see them. They search out iniquities. They accomplish a diligent search, both the inward thought of every one of them and the heart is deep. Elohim shall shoot at them with an arrow. Suddenly shall they be wounded. So they shall make their own tongue to fall upon themselves. All that see them shall flee away. And all men shall fear, and shall declare the work of Elohim, for they shall wisely consider of his doing. The righteous shall be glad in Yahuwah, and shall trust in him, and all the upright in heart shall glory.